ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हुए लिंक पर क्लिक करें या ऊपर दिए गए हुए कार्ड पर क्लिक करें। धन्यवाद।
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Bharat, and you are watching Swag Tech. So, today I will show you a way that you can use to connect your iPhone's camera as a webcam to your PC or Mac. So, with this being stated, let's get started. What you have to do is open your web browser and search for iRuin webcam on Google. You have to click on the first link that appears and you can download the software for Windows, Mac or Ubuntu. I've already downloaded and installed it before, so I will just open it for you guys. Make sure your phone and the PC is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now we will download the app in the smartphone or the iPhone. I will open the App Store and I will search for iRuin webcam for PC and Mac, and I've already downloaded it. You can click on get or install. So after opening this app, you have to wait for a second and it will automatically get connected. Okay, there might be a lag. Yes, so it has connected successfully. As you can see, I will set up the camera so you can have a better view. Wait a second. So as you can see, it has been connected successfully. This is the frame where I sit when I stream, and there is no lag whatsoever. I have used it quite a few times, and I will also play a game in front of you guys. I will switch to the stream overlay that I use, so I will play a game. So the entry level webcams are of very like average quality, and if you use your phone instead of the webcam, you will see a major difference in the quality of your stream, or even if you do video calls. And let's play a game and I will show you that it doesn't lag even if there's some load on your CPU. Just make sure the Wi-Fi network of the PC and the phone is same, so there will not be any lag.
Match found.
You can also change the resolution. I will suggest you to use automatic. So as you can see, the game is running perfectly alright. There is no lag whatsoever, and I hope this video was helpful to you. You can like this video and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications because I make these kind of videos regularly. Till then, take care, bye bye, peace.